Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do Senegalese choice in under 1 hour. Guys, this is very easy. This is way better than having regular choice, and it's way better than crochet. Okay guys, it's very easy, very simple. You guys are going to love this. Totally affordable, quick and easy. Like, it's like, why not even try it? Like, there's no reason why not to try this. Okay, let's talk about this wig. So this is what she looks like. Okay, it doesn't say how long she is, but she's pretty long. She's about waist length. And let me show you guys the ends of this hair. The ends don't look too bad at all. So again, the quality of the choice right here. And let me show you the top part. So this is by Sensationnel. This is the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, multi-part lace wig, 100% Kekilan, or however you pronounce it. So this is the back of the card. As you can see, you have that 4x4 lace, and this is the color 1B. I bought this on glamourtress.com for around $60 something. So again, this is the construction. Very, very big hair friendly. This is the 4x4 lace. This is the 4x4 lace right here. Very stretchable. You have two combs. You have two combs at the top, one comb in the back right here. On the side, as you can see, I did apply some concealer and some foundation to make this a tad bit darker. Also, there is like a string that's keeping the choice laying down. As you can see, you cannot even see the string, so I don't recommend cutting the string. Let's see if I can find it. So yeah, it's like right in here, which it's not allowing me to move this up because it wants it to lay down. So you can see the cap construction underneath if you like lift the braids up. But for the most part, there is a lot of choice on here, so you really won't even see it unless you like just completely lift it up, as you can see. But yeah, I really like this wig. Again, it's very, very affordable, very realistic. You cannot go wrong with this wig because like the quality is very, very good. It is amazing. The ends are very, very good. Smell isn't bad at all. You really can't even smell anything. And these are very small twists, but they do have like bigger braids, bigger twists. This is just my first time buying me like a braided wig or a twisted wig. So, and it was affordable. This does come with baby hairs. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it does come with baby hairs in the front. I did cut most of the baby hairs because I like to cut very close to the lace. But I left myself a few baby hairs. I don't really use them like that. But you know, it's just nice to have just in case I decided that I wanted some baby hairs. So again, this is the cap construction. I'm not sure what this right here is. I'm assuming that's just the string maybe, but then that can't be the string, so I guess I could cut that. But it don't bother me, so I just leave it there. It's not a big deal. Again, this is very big head friendly. This does stretch. I have a huge head and it fits my head, so it should definitely fit your head as well. And there you go, ladies. Here is an instant Senegalese twist. If I were to guess, I would assume this is about 22-24 inches. Again, 22-24 inches. As you can see, she's looking pretty darn good. Okay. Look at that. It looks very realistic. And guys, this wig is very, very light. It is not heavy. at all. You cannot beat this whatsoever. Okay, so you can just lay down your little baby hairs right here or whatever, and you are set to go. Again, you can always blend it with some foundation or whatever, but as you can see, it looks like it's coming out of the scalp. It is not like a wig at all. So I'm really loving this right here. This is so ideal, and it feels so freaking comfortable, guys. It's not tight at all. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing a wig. It just feels like regular. So that's how long it is on me. So yeah, it is very long. Very convenient. So let me show you guys the back. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, guys, yeah, this is just some baby hair. It's just like, yeah, I want to be seen, you know. So again, you can do a lot with this wig. You can do half up, half down, ponytails. You can do whatever you want, okay? Put it back in a ponytail like this. You can do a lot with this hair. Have it in one big ponytail. That will work just, well, I don't know about one big, like no high ponytail. I wouldn't recommend that. But for me, this wig is a plus. I will enter the price in the video. Again, I think it's around $66. This is at least, I would say 22, 24 inch. It doesn't say on the card. But yes, this wig is very long. And it is very pretty. Like, I cannot live without this wig. This wig is giving me life. And think about it, guys. Again, it's only like $66. This will last you forever. You don't have to worry about it getting matted or tangled or anything like that. Like, this will work. Okay, this needs to be pulled up some, but trust me, well, I need to have my hair under this, but we ain't gonna do all that right now. But this is definitely it. Okay, just play around with it and then just rock it however you want to rock it. You want a side part, then rock you a little side part. Okay, it's totally up to you. So now a lot of you guys are worried about your wig snatching. Like, oh, what if somebody pulls my hair? Will it come out? So you can always put your combs in. I honestly don't care for combs because nobody's gonna pull my hair. Everybody know better. Okay, that's number one. Second of all, they're gonna know you're in a wig. Make sure they don't come too close to your head. 3, that's why it's something called wig grip you can get, or get you the wig fix. So this is the wig fix. Is just like a little elastic band that grips your wig so it will not like snatch off so easily. Okay, so I'm gonna try to snap. Well, I ain't really trying to pull on this wig. This wig is like, this wig is everything. But yeah, it will definitely come off if you pull it. Again, the combs aren't in, so I'm gonna put this on right here and I'm gonna pull this wig and let's see if it actually snatches off. Okay, so you just want to pull this up. You can always put some foundation on the wig grip to make it blend a little, to make it blend a little bit better. This could come down my edges a little bit more, but it is what it is at this point. So instant wig, instant twist again. So I'm going to try to tug on this. Again, it isn't down all the way, as you can see. It needs to be pulled down some more if I can find it. Same thing with the other side. Other side did okay for the most part. Okay, pull test again. It doesn't really make the hair bulky at all. It still looks pretty flat to me. You can't really, you can kind of see the white a little bit up in here, as you can see. Well, you can see that a lot. But again, you just want to put some foundation on and make it same color as your lace. So pull test, here we go. Okay, it's not too bad. Okay, I can see it moving right here a little bit. Yeah, it's moving a little bit right there. So what I'm going to do is make sure that it's just all the way up. Or sometimes the wig fist is a little too far back. You want to make sure that, again, as close as possible. See, I'm going to try pulling it. Yep, it's still coming straight off side. But yep, the front's coming off too. Guys, I'm not even pulling hard. I am not pulling hard. But for the most part, I mean, it's still going to come off if you pull it hard enough. But just for those little tugs, it might save your wig. But this honestly isn't a deal breaker for me. I can definitely go without this because, again, everybody knows better. Nobody's going to be putting on my hair. Number one. Number two, quarantine. Like, I barely even get out of the house. I'm really not concerned about somebody snatching my wig. But yeah, guys. So, but if you still want some kind of protection, then, I mean, I guess you could use this. But I won't. So yeah, this wig isn't 100% straight, but for the most part, it have to do. Yeah, it's supposed to be like in the middle. Yo, it's barely moving though. Can't really switch to the middle because it's not moving like it's supposed to. But hey, maybe the wig fix isn't too bad after all. Okay, so I recommend the wig fix for hair, maybe not for twisted or braided wigs, but for this it does okay. I can see the white a little bit up in here, but again, put some foundation on or some concealer and you will be okay. For the most part, it still does its job though. Okay, no bulkiness, still lays flat. Tightness 7 out of 10. So let's try the pull test. Okay, let's try to pull back. Yep, and there it is. As you can see, there it is. It still comes straight back. But anyway, guys, if you really like this twisted wig, which I love, definitely get this wig. Again, I got it from glamourtress.com. This is the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, Senegalese choice 1B, 4x4 parting space. Around $66. You cannot beat that. Okay, so again, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.